Russian sounds scary, Russian sounds scary. Do you know, guys, that Russian language is very modest and down to earth compared to French and English? Let me just give you a few examples and you will see what I mean.
I'm driving BMW. I'm driving BMW. I'm driving BMW.
In Russian language, people will say, I'm driving BMW. Just a regular car, and stop showing off about that. Oh my god.
This is my Mercedes. This is my Mercedes. This is my Mercedes.
This is my Mercedes. What's special about that?
I wear Louboutin shoes. I wear Louboutin shoes.
I wear Louboutin. I wear Louboutin. Just regular shoes. Why are you trying to make it special? You are just wearing Louboutin.